like the island of Diwar. And the village of Ribandar is going to be used as a transit point for availability of drugs and prostitution in the island of Diwar. And all this is happening with the support and blessings of no other one than Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar, who has been openly supporting a person who has come as a fugitive from the US by name Subhakar Rao. Subhakar Rao is wanted by the FBI and other agencies in the US for serious offences of human trafficking and other offences. Now Subhakar Rao, for the last few years, he has been in Goa and he has been in regular touch with Lakshmikant Parsekar. In fact, over the last 3.5 years, even when Lakshmikant Parsekar was the ports minister, Sudhakar Rao has been in regular contact with him and trying to get favors to ensure that his trade flourishes in the state of Goa. Subhakar Rao has bought various properties in Goa to start this sort of business. One of the properties at Kavelosi, where he had started the same trade of promoting drugs and prostitution, has 2 weeks ago been demolished by the CRZ authorities at Kavelosi. Now coming to the property at island of Diwar, on 31st May 2014, Sudhakar Rao, in the name of Sri Sai Champion Family Trust, of which he is the managing trustee, bought some Kazan land in the island of Diwar. The sale deed is for rupees 4 crores, and over that in cash he is said to have paid 2 crores. So for 6 crores he has bought this property at Diwar. The sale deed which we have obtained under the Right to Information Act says that the purchase is for 4 crores.